Hello, assalamu alaikum. Today we will show unit testing codes of our project Healthy Habits. So here we have some controllers here, and in the controllers we have some functions like goal done or notun goal and show goal from. So for these controllers we have written the test codes for testing the controllers if it is work or not. Also for the route we have also written the test codes. Let's see the route. So here is all the routes, and some routes are returning the view. So the routes which are returning the view, we have written the test code for that route, and the test codes are written under the test and the unit. This is our controller test and this is our route test. So we have 5 routes to return the view, so we have written the route test code here. So now if I go to in any controller, so here is the daily activity controller, and here we have daily activity function. There is only one function. In the second controller we have only one function, show table. In the goal controller we have show goal from, set goal and goal done functions. Again in login controller we have auth function and show home function, also the sign function. And lastly in the profile controller we have profile done, show profile from and update profile function. So for all this controller and function we have written the unit test codes here. Suppose in the daily activities here test we have written test show daily activity, and we have created a mock user and inserting the assert functions here. Also in the diet table controller test we have written the test show diet table. In the goal controller test we have written the test setting user goal in the database and test show the goal view with information in the database. Again in the login auth controller test we have written create customer and go to profile show and create consultant and show consultant page, also to check the validity of the user. And lastly in the profile controller test we have written the function. We have written 2 functions here, and for the route we have written 5 functions to show the view, and if a HTTP request has been sent, this page will be shown in the website. So now if we run only this route test, let's see what happened. So for that I will write this code php artisan test -- filter equals to route test, which is the name of this file. So if I hit enter, then it is showing pass, and all these functions are passed, and there is 10 assertions here. So now if I test one of this controller, suppose this goal controller test. Now if I run here, if I run this code and test the goal controller, then let's see what happened. So here you can see it is written here pass, and we have 2 functions, 2 passed, 8 assertions, duration is 20 seconds. So if we see here, there is 2 functions here and these 2 are passed. So again if I test another controller, suppose login CR test, here we have 3 functions, 1, 2 and 3. So let's run this test function, run this test class. Login auth. So here you can see all the test functions has been passed. So there is only 9 assertions and 3 functions, so all are passed. So now if I want to test all the test codes of the controller models and the route from the feature and unit, so I can run vendor/bin/php unit. If I run this code, then it will show all the assertions and test case has been passed. So here it is, all the test case are okay, and there is 16 tests and 46 assertions. So this is how our unit test has been complete and all the test has been passed. Thank you.